So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on PayPal. So if you want to change your phone number on PayPal, you can log into your account. So let's do just that. So once you've opened your account, you can go to settings and add a new phone number. So let's do this the right way. So let's open up your profile, which is going to be in the top right corner. So just click on your profile picture or your profile icon. From that point, you will see the little gear icon, which is your settings. So just go to your settings. From that, you can see contact info, notification preferences, marketing preferences, login and security, data and privacy, payment preferences, and you can close your account. So you can open up your contact info. And once you get to your phone number, you can just use to edit it. So let's click on edit. And if you want to change your phone number, you will need to add a new one to make that primary. So just make sure before editing or removing that phone number, you need to have a phone number. So just when you are changing your phone number, make sure to first add a new one and then remove the old one. So it's just going to be through that point. After that, you can edit that number with different digits, maybe a different area code, depending where you live if you've changed your number. And from that point, you will receive a code that's going to be used as a form of verification of that phone number, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. So you can just do it through there, go to your contact info, and then just choose to add those things. So it's going to be quite easy and simple, and it requires about a few minutes just to change your phone number, and then you're all set. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.